Okay, so for Part D nutrition analysis, you're going to need a couple of things. Firstly, you need to think of a meal to analyze, and then you also need to use graphs in Excel. All right, let's break it down and make it nice and simple. I'm just going to find the nutrient profile of a chicken burger. You can pick basically any one you like. I'm going to pick this one. I'm going to do a bit of Googling and see if I can find a website that gives me all the nutrition information. Spend a bit of time. Let's find this website. You might find a different meal, or you might find a different website that finds you the same information. Okay, so we're going to find out how much of the macronutrients, so fat, carbs, and protein it has. And then we're going to find out some information about its vitamins. Let's just make it really easy on myself. I'm just going to copy and paste all this information here, like this, and I'm going to put it into an Excel sheet just to start with. So at least it's there for me to refer back to. Okay, so I want to make macronutrients. So they're the big things. And then I want to make one graph for micronutrients. I know that I've got fat, carbs, and protein. And I'm going to measure these things in grams. Should have put that in first, but whatever. There you go. Protein, grams. Those are our three main macronutrients that we need everything from. How much do we have of each? Let's look at the data there. So I've got 1.5 grams, total fat, 5 grams. Great. Total carbohydrates, how much have I got? Just one, not very much at all. Protein, 22 grams. It's just for a plain chicken burger. And then I've got some minerals here. What have I got? Vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, iron. They're in slightly different values to each other. So we're actually going to do them as separate graphs. Look how these two have these this unit called micrograms. So they're going to be separate to each other, vitamin C. And then the minerals over here, calcium is going to be milligrams. Iron is going to be in milligrams. So first of all, here you have all of your raw data here. Your raw data is like your ungraphed data, the data that you have organized before you make a graph out of it. We're going to have 3 separate graphs here. So for vitamin A, I have 18 micrograms, just from this list over here. Vitamin C, I've got 5.4. Minerals, calcium, I've got 20 milligrams. Iron, I've got 0.5. Let's double check. So we've got macro, vitamins, minerals. When I've got my units next to the words like this, and I've got my numbers separate in a separate thing. Okay, so now we make our graphs. Highlight, insert, chart. Fantastic. I'm not going to use a pie chart. They're not the best ones for this. We're going to use let's use a column chart. It's a bit better. So there's my macronutrients chart. Let's do the same for this one, vitamins. Insert chart. I'm not going to use a pie chart. I'm going to use, let's use this one. Simple, simple. And then lucky last, minerals. Insert chart. Again, column chart. Perfect. So then you have your 3 pieces of raw data, your 3 graphs, and from there you can answer the rest of it.